I would like to welcome you all in the question paper discussion of the subject Principles of Programming. So, I am discussing the question paper in the year of June-July 2023. So, in this question paper, I'll be mainly focusing on module number 1, and the remaining part will be done in the upcoming videos. First of all, you can go through the syllabus and make sure that all the things are familiar. So now let us see the important questions. Accordingly, you can prepare for the forthcoming examination. Question number 1. Define 1A. Define computer. Describe the characteristics of a computer in detail. It is a fundamental questions. I think those who had like a basic background of computer, they can easily answer it. First of all, you have to mention about it is an electronic device that is designed to accept data. Then you can do the manipulation, arithmetical and logical operations, and even you can talk about like a central processing unit. Also, like the high speed, and we'll be getting the output very quickly. Those things you have to mention. Then you have to mention about the various salient features of computers such as speed, accuracy, automation, diligence, and versatility and memory. Okay, and also one of the setback, like it is having no intelligent quotient. Then you talk about like the economic. It is very much convenient for doing like like a business. Also, like our economy has been quadrupled compared to the normal method. These things you have to mention. Then definitely you'll be getting almost how much they have specified. You can see 10 marks they have specified. 2 plus 8 you will be getting. So you have to plan accordingly. Highlight the important points by providing the underline and make sure that you have secure complete marks 10 out of 10. Question number 2, explain the various input devices. You have to bifurcate what are the input devices and what are the output devices and provide the brief explanation. As you can observe, like the different type of input devices, like uh, what we can say, mouse, then keyboard. Okay, these are like a joystick. You are talk about like details about the input devices. Okay. You are expected to mention about like a brief description of mouse, keyboard, then optical devices. Okay, those things you have to mention. Question number 2A, explain the following programming paradigms. PO, procedural oriented programming, structured programming, object oriented programming. You have to explain in brief. For example, question number 2A, how the answers can be written. Global data, you can see. So regarding the procedural oriented programming, so what are the major things? It's mainly based on the function calling, frequent calling of the function. Okay, that is a major things of procedural oriented programming. Structure programming, that is mainly dealing with like we can say like mm, the logical structure, code reusability. Okay, that is a major things of less structured programming, where object-oriented programming is mainly dealing with the class and object. So like it ensure encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. These are the object-oriented programming. Short form is called OOPS. Better draw these kind of diagrams so that it will be pretty convenient to get convenient marks. So you can explain the comparison with the help of like approach. If I talk about the POP, focuses on the functions or procedures. Then modularity. Programs are divided into small part called functions. Similarly, data handling, like you can talk about the like data encapsulation, talk about the reusability. Okay, so then these are the examples like a C14, Pascal, COBOL, etc. Okay, then it is very difficult to maintain. There is no security in case of POP compared to other type of methods. If I talk about like a structured programming, it is clear logical structure. It improves the readability as well as maintainability. Also, like it creates the loops and conditional structures as well as subordinates. Okay, subroutines, etc. Examples are then ADA, ALGOL, C, etc. If I talk about the OOPS, object-oriented programming, it is pretty convenient, mainly dealing with the class and object, and it ensures security, improve the reusability, modularity, even it improves the I can add any type of data. I can create my own function, user-defined function. Examples are C++, C hash, Python, etc. Okay, so these are like object-oriented programming. So the second question is the second A, you will be getting 10 marks. If you write these points, that is more than sufficient. If I talk about like question number 2B, printf and scanf, you have to explain about printf and scanf with a simple example. So printf is actually one of the output function. If you have to display whatever you are writing, no, you need to display at the output at screen. That is printf. Hello C programming. Then hello C programming will be displayed at the output. In that, control string and variable list will be included. If I talk about scanf, like it will inputting. Okay, like it asks the user to enter the information. Okay, like a control string, then like arguments you have to mention like that. So explanation of each point is desirable. Okay. So printf function used to print the output to the standard output. Okay. At the output screen usually. Format is given like a format string argument list. One example is provided with you. Okay. It is very easy to understand. Yes. Other one is scanf function used to read the input. Okay, both are like opposite. Correct. Scanf, format string and argument list, that is a syntax. Then there is a simple program. So in this program, like enter your age. Okay. The same thing will be displayed at the output to, they will ask us to enter the age. Correct. Yeah. So this is basically one of the important concept in POP, procedural oriented programming, like the printf and scanf function. Okay. Both are built-in function, which is already available in the POP. Correct. So these are the important questions from module one, especially in this particular year. Okay, so we can expect, I'll be discussing similar kind of question paper in the forthcoming session as well. Okay, you can go through that. If you have any queries, kindly put up in the comment box. I'm happy to answer back. So try to revise it. Try to make a note, short note. Whenever you are explaining, try to make a brief example. That would be really useful for you to get good score. I would like to wish you very good luck for the examination. Happy learning. Have a great day.